Hi there, welcome to my Kartra trial video where I'll show you how to access your 30-day Kartra trial for free. And in a moment, I'll also show you how to get hold of my 12K bonus stack that will help you get in front of your ideal customer for free. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit the link below to get bonus access. Now, in order to access your free trial, when you hit the link below, you'll be taken to this particular page. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the left where it says free trial. This will give you the ability to test drive Kartra free for 30 days, build your courses, generate leads, engage with your audience and drive sales. So here you're going to have 0 transaction fees. You're going to be able to build your course. You're going to be able to create landing pages. You're going to be able to generate leads and send up to 1,000 emails and make a sale. Now, the good thing about this, you can also get a one-on-one onboarding call. As I mentioned before, you get 30 days free and you get full access to Kartra support. Now, why is this free trial beneficial? Well, you might not necessarily know exactly what plan is going to work for you best. So this gives you the ability to get familiar with the software, build out your courses, build out your pages. So by the time the 30 days is over, you will know exactly what plan is going to work for you. Maybe all you need is a starter plan, or maybe you need a bit more. But after 30 days, you will know exactly what you need. And this is why just for signing up for the 30-day free trial, I'm going to give you access to my 12K bonus stack. And all you have to do is get to this page through my link below and press start free. And all you have to do is fill out the information and they will give you access to your 30-day free trial. Now, the number one problem most online businesses are having today is traffic. The ability to get in front of your ideal customers is becoming more expensive and more competitive than ever. With ad costs skyrocketing, most businesses fail in the first year. So my first bonus is going to help you solve this problem. And that is the 24-hour ranking system. This bonus is going to show you how to place products and services on the front page of Google in places 1, 2, 3, and 4. Eliminating the need of paid ads, meaning you need 0 upfront budget to get this going. Now, if you're a course creator, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a business owner, it doesn't matter. This system is going to show you how to rank for competitive keywords and generate income without risking your own money. Next, I'm going to give you access to give away this very bonus stack to your audience for free because you will gain a license once you sign up below for Kartra using my link in the description or pinned to the top of the comments. The third part of this bonus is you're going to get exclusive lifetime weekly coaching calls with my mentor, Paul Murphy, where you can ask him anything you want about your business because this is a guy that's considered a super affiliate and has made millions of dollars. Paul charges anywhere upwards from $15,000 for a consultation. So being able to jump online with him is definitely something I'll take advantage of if I were you. And last but not least, you're going to get access to the 4-day ranking challenge, which will help you get your first listings online. This is going to boost your confidence and get you excited about implementing this very strategy into your own business, into your own membership, into your own courses, into your own affiliate marketing campaigns. And you get all this when you sign up for Kartra in the link below, or you head over to evanslutu.com/Kartra. Now, just to recap, you're going to get the 24-hour ranking system. You're going to get unlimited private weekly coaching calls. You're going to get this 12K bonus stack to give away, and you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. But I want to sweeten the deal a bit more, and I want to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, this is going to be an over-the-shoulder system that helps you build a super email marketing list, as you're going to learn where to get an unlimited traffic source that helps you build this list. You're going to learn how to increase your open rates and use AI to help you assist the whole process. And best of all, this is very newbie friendly. So if you're worried about email marketing, don't be. Email marketing is essential to business success. So having access to List Prodigy is definitely going to be something that benefits your company, your affiliate campaigns, and your future earnings online. This was $197, but if you sign up for Kartra today, you will get this free of charge to complement the 12K bonus stack. So that means you're going to get 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private coaching calls, exclusive bonus giveaway license, and access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. But you now are also going to get List Prodigy. But I want to sweeten the deal even more, and I'm going to give you access to 90 Make Money online courses where you will learn everything from affiliate marketing to e-commerce to LinkedIn marketing to video SEO to Amazon FBA and so much more. This covers the wide scope of online businesses, meaning more than likely you'll be able to find something that helps you up your skill set in whatever area of business you are in. And And if you own a membership site or a course, you can use these as inspiration or empower your audience. So that means you are getting access to the 12K bonus stack, you're getting List Prodigy, and now you're getting 90 Make Money Online courses. All you have to do is head over to the link below and you will be taken to this page where you can enter your name and your email, and you will get access to the bonus stack promised in this video, including your 30-day free trial. Thank you very much for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer it. So I'll see you in the next video.